Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to access cPanel of your website on Hostinger. In order to access the cPanel of your website on Hostinger, you just have to follow the steps. Now, first thing first, what you want to do is going to log into your account, and once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Next thing, what you want to do is from the home page, you could see a lot of options. So here, you want to go to hosting, and when you go to hosting, you could see this sort of piece. So here you need to scroll down a bit and you could find this option as email at the bottom of the page, and you just have to go and click on manage. As you click on that, it's going to direct you to the next page where you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit, and you need to go to premium web hosting and click on manage in the left hand side in the right hand side bar. As soon as you click on it, now you want to go to hosting and scroll down a bit, you could see file manager. Now right click on it and then you could open it up. Once you click on it, it's going to redirect you to the next page. So here you want to go and click on trash at the bottom of the page and click on the confirm button, and here you could do the following same steps with other as well. So this way you could go ahead and access cPanel of your website on Hostinger. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.